Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix screen rotation is not working or auto screen rotate is not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it down and then you have to tap on display and brightness. Scroll it down, tap on view option. So as you can see guys, it's showing here larger text or default option. Maybe in case of you, it's showing here standard or zoom option. So if it's showing standard or zoom, so you have to tap on standard option. And if it's showing here this type of interface, so you have to tap on default option, tap on turn. Now tap on use standard. Wait for a while, from here tap on turn again. And after that, check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if console is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on shutdown, and then you have to turn off your device and then you have to turn it on again, and maybe it will fix your problem. And if the console is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, tap on reset all setting. Now tap on reset all setting to confirm the process. This will reset all setting, no data media will be deleted. And after that, you have to force restart your device. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.